Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I just want to talk about something, and I think we need to talk about this particular topic. We need to talk about it. There's no how we'll keep doing several other things that we do on this channel without having to talk about one of the most crucial things that actually pertain to our growth, that pertain to the growth of our lifestyle, our offsprings, our generation to come, and our business growth and everything in general. That is politics. So I want you guys to hear me out, and I want this to be a conversation, right? I want this to be a conversation. I want you guys to go to the comment section and pour out your hearts and talk about your own perspective about this. So I want you guys to listen very, very well. Just within this couple of days, during the electoral stuff, the presidential stuff, we become very, very interested in the political aspect, including me. I was so very interested. I follow up on Twitter. I don't have a TV actually in my house, but the only way I could get my source of information is maybe Business NG, all those network, news network and channels, live YouTube videos and stuff like that. That's how I was able to get my own direct information. And the major reason why I'm making this video is that most of you guys that watch my YouTube channel are youth. And most of you are 50% of you guys that watch my channel are from Nigeria, between the age of 18 to the age of 35 and above. So I think this is very, very important that we have this conversation. Most of us are really not happy with the way the electoral stuff goes. It's total trash. But this is the very first time. This is the very first time we are going to get involved in the political aspect with the youth of Nigeria. And this is the first time we feel like we want somebody that we decided, somebody we feel like this person is capable to actually lead us, to rule us, to save us, right? And this is a very important shift. This is the beginning of a great shift in perspective, a great shift in political awareness, a great shift in the political fear. This is the first time the youth are going to actually stand and say, we want this. This is how we want it. This is how the game is supposed. We want to understand how the game is being played. But quite unfortunately, we are playing with one of the OGs of the game. Those that understand the concept of reaping and concept of actually playing the game better than us. Also, unfortunately, a child doesn't work in a day, right? A child does not work in a day. So this is the first time we'll take this step, and I'm 100% sure that if we actually execute this the second time, we should actually get exactly what we want. This set of people that have been reading us since the 60s, 70s, 80s, and up till this 2023, these people are still ruminating the same power all around themselves. This is not tribalistic. This is not about tribalism or whatsoever way you want to put it. But at least we need somebody that can actually talk without having to read a manuscript or whatever shit they call it. Somebody that can actually deliver. See, even I don't know how capable. I'm not talking about a particular person, but I want somebody that can talk without reading a script. Somebody that can bring something from inside his brain that makes sense outwardly. These are the things that I think we should. These are the next step. So the very first thing that I will advise us to do as a youth is to get better in this political aspect. Possibly, and most importantly, I think we all should actually have a political party. We should register under a political party so that we can actually move the needle, so that we can actually move something personally ourselves. That's why I decided to make this video, because after I make this video and after all this political stuff die down, I will do my research and I'm going to join a political party myself as a person. I will join a political party because I want to contribute to how this country works. I want to contribute to how this country grows. I want to contribute to how things are being done, how my generation, I want to determine what will be the future of my generation. I have to contribute to that. So I think this video is important that we talk about this, and all of you guys that are watching this video, please go ahead and join a political party. That is how we can actually move the needle. go ahead and join a political party. Understand their aim and objective. This political party you are joining, what are their goals? What are the plans? What are the manifestos they have for the Nigeria in general? What are the things they have for the youth? What are the things they have for women? What are the things they have in mind for children? And if possible, if you can actually go for any post, take it. Because so far as I've seen, you see, I think the concept of power is so intoxicating. It's so intoxicating. And the only way we can actually take the power back is based on unity and involvement. That's the only way I think we could get the power back, based on our unity, our involvement in the game. It is only those that play the game that understand how to rig the game. It is only those that play the game that understand that a particular political geography have to get 55%, 25% of votes from there. Now is the time for us to start understanding how all these stuffs work. Please, the very first thing you're going to do is to join a political party. Take a stand, be part of something, be connected to something that could move the needle of the country, something that could that actually have a say. Connect yourself to the channel of how the power flow. These people are the one that's going to lead us. So I think it's appropriate that you contribute something, your presence, to how this whole thing goes. So I just tried to make this video, and I hope you guys understand, and I hope you guys understand how I am feeling right now and how the whole process has turned up. I'm going to say a huge congratulations to the president-elect, a person of Bat, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, right? So I want to say congratulations to him. But genuinely, I like him as a person. I like his ability to detect talent, but not as a president, my friend. Fuck that shit. You see, I don't know. It's crazy. But I genuinely wish you guys the best of luck, and I wish Nigeria the best of luck, and I want us to actually get better at what we do, and I want us to actually grow as a community, as a country, as a tribe, as a friend, as a brother in general. I don't discriminate, I'm not tribalistic, I don't know how to. I just want fairness. Everything should be in accord, right? I just want fairness. But unfortunately, the political game is actually a very, very corny and a very, very tricky game that people are playing. But for us to have the understanding, we can't just stay and distance and actually know how this game is being played inwardly. That's why I advise us to join this game, have the good understanding of how it is being played. If you have a political post you could contest with, contest. You are human. Anything, nothing may happen. If you can become the president of Nigeria, take the chance. But only if you have something to good and something to offer. So that's about it on this video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you on my next video. I've been busy lately. I've been busy doing quite a lot of things, quite a significant amount of things. It's crazy. So I'll be updating you guys more, and I'll be making more video on what we do. And so far, I already started my fashion school, a physical fashion school with accommodation and stuff. In case you're interested, the phone number will be below this, and the link to my direct WhatsApp chat will be here. You can make an inquiry and things like that. So that's about it. I'll see you on my next video. God bless you. God bless Nigeria. God bless everybody living in Nigeria and outside of Nigeria, and everybody that is watching my video. God bless you. I'll see you on my next video. Peace, and do have a lovely day. Bye bye. Salute.